the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and it supports IP68 waterproofing, so should be no problem at all, right? Hi, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today in this video, let's take a quick look at the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. I will cover everything about it, unboxing, Antutu Benchmark test, and the camera, everything. Let's get started. Alright, first let's get down to the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus unboxing. As you can see, it is like exactly the same packaging as the Pro. The only difference is the Plus, right? And also, as you can see, this is the vanilla version and it seems a little bit more colorful, right? So that is the packaging difference. Let's unbox it. Yeah. Alright, the first layer, I think it is exactly the same like that 13 Pro, like the pen also have a manual, and again we have that phone case. So it's a little bit different from the Pro, right? Without the hole here. I like that. Feels comfortable, looks less cheap, you know. Why have the hole there? Because, you know, there's a flash there. So, as you can see, much better, right? Okay, move to the next. We have the Type A to Type C cable, and the big difference from the Note Pro is it has a 120 watts gallium nitride charger. That's crazy. Okay, some information here, and that is the unboxing, and I have all three colors. Wow. They have like this kind of two-tone finish on the back. Actually feels really nice. And this is the leather edition, and to be honest, this is my favorite of all time from the Note series phones, right? And looks premium, and just check out the color matching. The color design is like, this looks like so fashion and awesome. And obviously, if I use this phone, I won't, you know, wear a phone case because this is already so comfortable and not to get dirty or smudges easily. Again, the least favorite is this one because for obvious reasons, too smooth and easy to get dirty. Let me go through the designs for you. So on top we have the infrared blaster, the Dino's mic, and also the speaker. And then move to this part, we have the volume rock and the power button. Move to the bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C port, and the SIM card tray, and I guess it's the same as the Pro version. Yep, dual SIM card, dual standby does not support SD card expansion. Alright, move to the left side, nothing. That is the Note 13 Pro Plus. Wow! It feels like so good, and Redmi said this is their first curved screen from the production line. So I read the comments yesterday. Some of you guys like it, some really don't. But from my views, alright, from here, it seems like pretty decent and looks actually very good and premium. And now here the camera module, we have a 200 megapixel OIS there, Redmi f1.65 AI camera. Definitely camera performance is one of the highlights for the Pro Plus. Speaking of camera, let me show you the interface of it. You see, you just put the 200 megapixels here directly, so you can, you know, so whenever you want to take that, just press that. It's that convenient. Video, ultra wide, main 2 times, and supports up, yeah, just 2 times, okay, and supports up to 4K 30 FPS and 24. Okay, that's the resolution, the highest resolution. It supports, and move to the photo. All right, 0.6, 1, 2, 4, and up to 10 times. I will show you a little bit of samples later. Portrait, not more. Yeah, that is what you can offer at the moment. And for the front camera, it's supposed up to 1080 60 FPS. Ooh, okay, not 4K. Let me just show you a few samples. Hello, so I'm going to take some videos, all right? First is 4K 30 FPS. Okay, I just picked this up and let's run. Okay, 4K 30. Let's do the Ultra Steady. So this is Ultra Steady. All right, let's try the photos. So ultra wide, main, 2 times, 4 times, and the max 10 times. Okay, let's see if it's clear. And definitely, how can we miss the 200 megapixel camera? Okay, seems a little bit slow. Okay, you can switch like 1 time and 2 times. Wow. Okay, a little bit slow, but it's fine afterwards. Freaking 200 megapixel photo. And let's try the selfies. All right, now let's try the selfie videos. It's supposed up to 1080 60 fps. The sky looks like overly exposed, washed out. But as you can see, it's like a cloudy day. But anyway, all right, there is the video. Just for the Pro Plus. Okay, let's back. All right, 1080 60 fps. Seems the background washed out a little bit. Okay, it seems stable and usable footage. All right, there is the video. Just for the Pro Plus. And this is the view from the Pro Plus. Gorgeous, right? 94%. Let's wait. Like how much it can get. The Antutu Benchmark. That's one of the differences between the Pro. View from different angle. Seems nice, no color deviation or something. Right, and that is the Antutu Benchmark for the 13 Pro Plus. So 710K, not bad, right? It's a little bit fall behind the official score, but not bad, not bad. So the highest temperature, 38.8. Ooh, all right, a little bit more about the information. Cool. All right. That pretty much sums up the Antutu Benchmark. Let's move to the last part, the audio test.
Baby, tonight I'll let you know. This is a fucking banger. You got that big, big bubble butt. Better keep my mouth shut.
I'll just watch you do your thing, sipping on that pink champagne. Girl, you got that big, big bubble butt. Better keep
Alright, that is the video for the Pro Plus. Have you ever seen a budget phone that offers IP68 waterproofing, 200 megapixel camera, and a decent, powerful chipset? No, you didn't find, right? Why the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus just offered this in the best price? Wow! And if you are interested in this phone, or you want to get the best budget phones in 2023 or even 2024, go and get it. This is going to sell like hotcakes, alright? And if you're interested in it, you can find this phones from my friend's website, his top. And special thanks to my sponsor, Gigabyte. That's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.